This is Sri Gokul. Today is Anti-Corruption Day. Corruption is criminal, immoral, and ultimate betrayal of public trust. It is even more damaging in times of crisis, as the world is experiencing now with the COVID-19 pandemic. The response to the virus is creating new opportunities to exploit weak oversight and inadequate transparency, diverting funds away from the people in the hour of greatest need. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres' statement on corruption in the context of COVID-19 corruption thrives in the times of crisis, and the ongoing global pandemic is no exception. States all over the world have taken significant measures to address the health emergency and to avoid a global economic collapse. They hastily mobilized billions in funds to procure medical equipment and provide an economic safety net for citizens and business in distress. The urgent response is required. However, led some states to trade compliance, oversight, and accountability for achievement of rapid impact, thus creating significant opportunities for corruption. Recover with integrity highlights that only by putting effective corruption mitigation measures in place will be a better recovery be possible. While it also emphasized that inclusive COVID-19 recovery can only be achieved with integrity. On 31st October 2003, the General Assembly adopted the United Nations Convention Against Corruption and requested that the Secretary General designated the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime as Secretariat for the Convention's Conference of States Parties. The Assembly also designated 9 December as the International Anti-Corruption Day to raise awareness of corruption and of the role of Convention in combating and preventing it. The convention entered into force in December 2005. Government, the private sector, non-governmental organizations, the media, and citizens around the world are joining forces to fight this crime. The United Nations Development Programme and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime are at the forefront of these efforts. Let us therefore join hands and fight against corruption together. Say no to corruption.